Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Vibe. So, today we are going to learn about one of the effective and one of the very interesting lean tool, which is known as TQM, that is a Total Quality Management. So, welcome to my channel, and let us start the video, my dear friends. So in this video, we are going to learn about various aspects of TQM, that is what is meant by TQM, what are the primary principles of TQM, how to implement TQM process in the organization or firm, then what are various quality tools and techniques required to implement TQM, what are the companies that have already implemented TQM in their workplace, and at last we are going to summarize this lean tool by knowing their advantages and disadvantages of this lean tool. So without wasting a single minute, let us start the video, my dear friends. So first, let me introduce you to the father of TQM foundation, and the father of TQM process is Edward Deming. He is one of the important quality leader, TQM leader, and there he has introduced many of the TQM aspects, TQM process, TQM different management shifts. So one of his famous quote is 85% of the reasons for failure are deficiencies in the systems and process rather than the employee. The role of management is to change the process rather than patronizing the individuals to do better. See, very true. Very truly, he says that whatever failures we are facing, whatever failures are we are facing, it is more and more because of our system and because of our approach process rather than employee. And many of the time we are blaming or we are questioning the employees for not working properly, but no, it is due to our system failure, our process failure. So here the role of management is to come and rectify and very streamline the process rather than asking individuals or employees to do better. So the overall objective of this quote is we have to work on process. If our process will be 100% quality, then automatically the quality of the product or service will improve. It is a very good message or good quote which is given by him. Now, moving ahead, first let us understand what is the motto of this lean tool. So basically the motto of lean tool is get it right first time, every time. So whatever the process we are doing, whatever the work we are doing in our workplace, we should do very rightly. And every time we should get correct output in terms of process, in terms of quality, and in terms of all the aspects. So this is the simple motto which is the objective of doing this TQM process or TQM lean tool. Get it right first time, every time. Now moving ahead in our video, let us first understand simply what is meant by TQM. So as already we are knowing that TQM stands for Total Quality Management. So here T means total. Total means everyone of the organization, everyone of the organization, starting from top management to middle management to bottom management, everyone should take part in this process. That is why it is given as a total. Next is quality. Quality means all the aspects should be of very quality. All the workplace, all the processes should be of excellence level. And M means management. Here we have to put some of the management approach, some of the management methodology to deal with this and clear out various things. So this is the total meaning of TQM, Total Quality Management. So overall, it is a very comprehensive approach for improving our organizational performance, and majorly our end objective will be to customize to satisfy our customer. So basically, total quality management is an ongoing process of detecting and reducing or eliminating the error. We have to eliminate, we have to detect, reduce and eliminate all the errors in our process. So it is a very effective lean tool which is used to streamline our supply chain management and improve our customer service and make sure that employees are trained very properly. Because if the employees will be trained properly for all the process, they will follow all the process very correctly, and it will lead to zero process failure, which will improve our product quality and service quality. So the focus is to improve the quality of organization's output, including goods and services, through the continual improvement of our internal practice. As I already explained you, these are the simple reasons, simple definitions for why we have to go for TQM, Total Quality Management. Hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा friends. So moving ahead in our video, now let us understand what are the primary principles of TQM. So as far the primary principles of TQM are concerned, it is first is focus on customer. We have to focus on customer, what our customer want, in what way our customer want the things, and accordingly only we should produce everything and provide to the customer. Second is commitment by employees. All the employees of the organization should commit to each other, should commit to organization for producing 100% quality and following all the processes. Improve continually. Continuously we have to go for improvement, small kaizen, small simple changes we should do in our workplace and improve continuously. Adherence to process. Whatever process has been set by the organization, by the management, we should adhere to it. Then only it will lead to our quality of products and services. Strategic and systematic approach. Whatever approach we are following for any of the projects or any of the thing, it should be very strategic as well as very systematic in nature. Next is data utilization. In nowadays, data is known as king. Data is everything. So whatever data is available with our company, with our organization, we should utilize that data. Data may be quality data, data may be production data, or anything. We should use this data to upgrade ourselves. Integrate systems. We have to integrate different systems, different IT sector also, different software and internet services also to move for automation so that we can bring the process very effectively. And the last is communication. Communication means communication between all the departments of the organization. They all should communicate with each other and have proper rapport with each other so that the process will move very easily and it will improve the things. So these are the 8 primary principles of TQM process. Hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा. Moving ahead, next we are going to discuss about how we have to implement TQM. So for implementing the TQM, we should go first for the strategic planning. We have to develop and create all our strategic plan regarding how we have to implement TQM, on what points we have to focus on, and basically goal setting, resource allocation, different performance measurement, KPI, and all this, our SMART goals. So all this lead tool we have to brainstorm and create one proper plan for implementing TQM. And when it comes to the step-by-step implementation, so here first we have to evaluate our current process. We have to analyze, we have to evaluate what is our current process, and then we have to adjust the current process, means what are the faults in our current process and how we can adjust them, how we can correct them. This plan we have to take ready. After once our plan is ready, we have to create small teams in every section, every zone of the organization, and start rectifying that problem by implementing solutions over there. And once the solutions are implemented, we have to review and revise the process once again to all the organization's employee. And at that, periodically we have to take the feedback, we have to take the audits, we have to confirm the thing whether it is happening as per our implementer approach or no. So this is the simple TQM process implementation steps that we have to follow for implementation of TQM. So moving ahead, what are the different quality tools and techniques required? So it will be required like a Pareto analysis, fishbone diagram, statistical process control charts. These are some of the major and the very effective tools and techniques that one should follow in implementing the TQM in their workplace. Next, we are going to understand what are the different companies which have implemented TQM at their workplace. So these are some of the most well-known companies, as you will be also knowing, like Exxon, Motorola, Xerox, Toyota. So these are some of the very well-known and very popular companies which have already implemented TQM at their workplace, and now they have reached to certain level in their quality perspective, product quality, service quality, and now gain very good name and fame in the market. So in this way, we should also implement TQMs in our factory level, in our organizations. And at last, now let us study what are different advantages and disadvantages of TQM. So when it comes to the advantages of TQM, they are majorly it improve our product quality, service quality, our customer satisfaction, results in lower company-wide cost, as well as it will minimize the waste generation in our entire process, and we will become more adaptable, more flexible in our work culture. And when it comes to the disadvantages of this process, it may require substantial financial investment. Yes, it will require initially some investment on the TQM practices and procedure, and it will certainly take long time for you to to do the proper TQM process, and of course, as it involves lot of human, lot of employees, and employees have the tendency of resistance to change. So for getting employees involved in this process is somewhat difficult, and of course, it requires very strong and very proper follow from everybody to take the ownership and move the things ahead. So these are the disadvantages of TQM. सो दैट्स ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए इतना ही। होप आप लोगों को ये TQM प्रोसेस समझ आया होगा, TQM लीन टूल समझ आया होगा। आप लोगों को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए, आई विल रीच आउट टू यू। सो दैट्स ऑल, टिल देन लाइक, फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल दी लर्निंग वाइब, एंड आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन कीप लर्निंग, गुड बाय।